Good morning, guys. Alright. Haven't had a trend day up. I'm not, I know my weakness. I do not like trend days. Bought the open. Had it right. I really had the mind thought that we were going to push up first and then make a deeper retracement before we did this mess today. Did not sell in the right spots, of course. Entry took those two out here. I sold here, got stopped out. Just back and forth chunk here, in and out, in and out. Took some stops up in this mess. Re-entered, entered, exited 3 contracts and through here. Left one on, entered back on the push back into the this retracement into the zero line. It kept pushing. Entered. Covered most of them here. I think I left 1 or 4 on. Took the stop and started building the position up here at the 8s with the mindset that we could run to the 110, the 1110 to 1110.6 area, but not a great day. I'm down. I'm up $113, but it's been just back and forth right now. So that's where we're at. I've been on Skype with somebody helping them out this morning. I don't know how much help I really was, but that's where we're at right now. We've had a good indication that all the pullbacks been holding 23s and 38s. This pullback here where I was covered at the 61, covered at the 70. I should have taken them all off here with a nice separation underneath here, but I did not do that. Let's see. So now we want to see if this 100 can break, and maybe we can get a deeper retracement here. They've run it up all day. I do have another entry up in here that I will add. And we'll see where it goes. I'll pause it and come back. The other video, I don't know what exactly happened to it. My computer froze up and it was not good. So here we go. We've got to break. We got to break down through here. Once we can do that, maybe we could set up a nice pattern here. But we'll see if they're going to release this down. We've been building pressure. Let's see if they're going to release it down here. With the run up, I do not see why we could not come back down to at least this area here. So I'll pause it and see what we can get going here, and see if we can get the points we need. I'll pause it, come back. Alright guys, I'm back.
Order canceled.
Trying to hold here, but I'm looking for 11.6 first. Hey man. Yeah. All right, guys. Trying to come into the first target. It's kind of get through this congestion here first. We're right at these closes. It's holding. Nice bulge here. I'll take half off for two. Man, that stinks. That stinks. No, I'm gonna move it back. Hold on. Let's see what it does here. Ugh. It was a 61. I didn't have that on my chart. Dadgummit. See if it gets a failure here. Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Alright, well, I've been stuck in this daggum thing for, 2-point rotations about all we've been getting. That was a 3-point with my average. I should have taken some here.
Order filled.
All right. All right. 19 tick stop. If I got any slippage, I'll be okay. Now,
Order pending.
we sit and wait. It's lunchtime. Not a great time to be stuck in something. That's for sure. It's 9-1 area, 9-3. We're starting to build a lot of volume up here. So if we get above it and we start holding it, we're gonna be in trouble here. So I'll pause it, come back, and we'll see where this thing pans out. Stops in place, and been a nice trend day up, and we might be caught here. But we got the stop in. We know where everything needs to be, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Excuse me. All right. Shorted into the move up. Waited for the. Didn't get a very good feel here. Been watching this 11, the 9.1, 9.3 area. Came down. Nice retracement back into it. Fail. Now let's see if we can get 100% extension out of here to take 4 off. Got this box. This is an area I've been looking for earlier in the day, so I thought this was going to come down in this box. If it would have come down in this box, I think we could have gotten a bigger push. So we'll see what it does when it gets down in here, and then make a decision. We're going to take some off the table here. I'm not going to sit here the rest of the day just messing with this unless I have to. Sorry guys, first target's just got hit. I wasn't paying attention. Here we go, coming down. See if the bottom of this holds. Hello? Alright, this thing's come down. It one ticked me.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna close it.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order pending. Order pending. Order filled.
Alright. See if we can get down to these targets here. 1055. Oh, they dadgummit.
Order canceled.
Okay. Alright, this would be an area that they could turn it here. Nice pressure finally released out of here. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, sorry, back. One ticked me again. Let's come on. There we go. Alright guys, sorry. I'm gonna go into 107 stop. We did hit the area that I was looking for. Not saying that we can't come down to this 200% here, but we've fulfilled the move that I was looking for. So I'll pause it and come back. Alright guys, let's see.
Order pending.
Gonna see if they give me 5. Gonna give it to me. Let's see if it gets rejected here.
Order canceled.
Alright, they gave it to us. We're done for the day. It's been a long day. Came into the box I was looking for originally on the first move. They decided to retest it right during the lunch hour. Nice retracement failure into the 9391 area, and we've gotten our push. So let's see. All right. So largest down we were was right at 500 bucks. So not a bad day. Didn't take a lot of heat. Let's see. We 2.5 point heat on this entry here, so not too bad, within the 30 tick range. Was able to add here, and it was pretty nice. Here we took $1.7, was able to add into it, and we were ready to go. So well within the boundaries of what we look for on a day-to-day basis. It would have been a lot better if I would have just stayed in the entry and noticed the 4181 was the key today. You see the 1597, around 11 o'clock, this area here in 4511, bands got close, pushed, as this does a lot of times, pushes straight across, bands close, there's not going to be any support, but they did hold it. Nice orderly push here, 1136. You could see weakness. I was wondering if they were going to try to pull this inside the band and get us in trouble, but they did a deep retracement here, pushed down to the 61, retraced into the failure, nice bear flag, and we finally got below the zero line and got some extension underneath here and got the 4181 to kind of turn. They did finally release the pressure. Now, they did break the lows, but they closed right back up above this close here. So, no need to stay in it. It's been a long day as it is. The opening range is down here with a 200%. It could run to 3.5, but it's been holding the 38 all day. So if you look at the opening up, they just now made it to the 38, and that's where it's holding. So no need to. It's Friday. No need to stick around and sit back through any more of this. Let's see. Uh, 3-1, 65. So the shorts got me because I took those stop out, those two or three stop outs. 80, the long ones worked out. I wish I would have held on to that, but there's shoulda, woulda, coulda, doesn't work in this business, so it didn't happen. And had to regroup and sit back and wait for the wait for the move to get done. But this area here, you see that I was trying. It went ahead. Knew it was this area or this area. This was no, it was this area, 110. Yeah, 1110 area was really the key. This little pullback, I should have cleared it all and went long, but that's not the way we look at things. This is what we did. The video shows it. We see we're trying to build a little bit of a base here. We are pushing pretty hard here, so just be mindful of that we could come out of the bottom here to test this box here. So I'll pause it and let's see where we end up. Alright guys, I'm done. was able to cover at the bottom. Looks like it wants to do a retracement. So alright, y'all have a good one. Have a good weekend. I hope everybody had a great week. Let me pause this. I want to check something real quick. Alright, yeah, I'm done for the day. I am out of here. Everybody have a good one, and talk to y'all next week.